at $7. Holy crap, this is amazing. How you doing today? It's me, Jacqueline. Welcome back to Dreams of Music and Makeup, or welcome here if this is your first video with me. If it is your first video, consider subscribing for 2 beauty videos a week from me. If you are excited, subscribe for more. I would love for you to see all that I have in store for you on this channel. I want to walk you guys through this eye look. I cannot believe that I found an amazing under $10 drugstore eyeshadow palette that I would actually recommend, and so far have liked every single color. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Palette Division. This was inspired by the Anastasia Subculture. That was a palette that I was drawn into for the colors alone, though the reviews made me not purchase it in the end. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Subculture controversy, all you have to do is Google that quickly and you will see about 50 million videos of people using a kind of crummy eyeshadow palette from a pretty popular brand otherwise. This I thought was a good way to experience those colors, experience a new eyeshadow formula, and maybe recommend something affordable to you guys. And so far, this has not disappointed me in the least. This gold leaves me something to be desired. I just think it's a little bit chunky when swatched out. It just doesn't have that same impact I'm kind of hoping for out of a shade like that. Just like this kind of pinky duochrome in the Subculture palette had some issues. I don't think it's perfect here, though it is visible, so it's fine. With those 2 exceptions, even if you're paying for 13 shadows instead of 15 shadows in this palette, I still think it's worth it. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. I've been enjoying it so far, and if you're excited to see how I got this look and get it with me, you're in the right place. Click that thumbs up button so I know you're interested, and let's dive into the tutorial portion of this video. Let's get you guys caught up. I'm super excited to share with you this look at $7. Holy crap, this is amazing. Let's start out with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. Using my pointer finger, I'm going to pick up this shimmery bronze shade and just coat the inner 2/3 of my lid. Then picking up my Sigma E25, I'm going to go into this matte brown shade and pack that on the outer corner. I'm going to start picking up this more beige transition and start blending, and then mixing the brown with that transition shade. I'm going to start blending into the crease. Switching to a Sigma E40, I'm going to continue blending with that transition shade. Just for a little more dimension, I am going to pick up that corally shade in the middle, right where the brown meets that transition. Transition I always like to go over with last, just so it looks as seamless as possible. And bonk my elbow. Actually, I'm going to pick up a tiny little blending brush and go in with this deep plum shade just at the outermost corner for some added depth. Alright, so now that I do have some concealer on my under eyes, I went ahead and finished up this lower lash line, so let's go ahead and imitate it on this side. I'm going to use my Real Techniques smudge brush and reach into that brown shade we put on the outer corner. I'm going to run this along the outer third or outer 2/3. And then I'm going to pick up my e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush. This is a fairly new one to their collection, and pick up that coral shade and just a tiny bit of the brown. Start to blend that out. Since I did blend it down a little further on this side, I'm just going to carry that over here so they match up. I'm going to use my facial highlight for my inner corner, and then I will check back in with you guys once my face is complete. Hello dreamers! I did want to check in on these eyeshadows with you and let you know how they're holding up. While I have seen a little bit of fading on the outer corner with the darkest shades out there, I don't think it's anything too crazy. It's nothing noteworthy in my opinion. This makeup look has been on for over 5 hours, and if it were going to fade worse, we would see it by now. That pretty much wraps up this eyeshadow tutorial / wear test for us. If you guys enjoyed this Makeup Revolution palette inspired by the Subculture palette by Anastasia, let me know. Leave a like down below. Share this with someone else who maybe didn't purchase that because it had such terrible reviews, but still kept dreaming about the colors. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you end up purchasing this palette or one similar to it, please let me know. Tag me in your recreations if you do try to recreate this look. I would love to see your photos. I'm just at Dreams of Music and Makeup on Instagram. I will insert my Instagram handle as well as my Twitter for you. I would love for you guys to follow me on Twitter. That is a fairly small platform for me right now. I would love to have more of you over there to kind of bounce ideas off of, so follow me there if you're interested in that. I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening wherever you are. I hope you keep dreaming, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!